Acquiring a car lift that best serves your needs is very important, and that is why it is good to know what kind of car lift or which type of car lift will best serve your specific needs. By the end of this video, I promise you will be able to know what kind of car lift will best serve your needs or will suit your operations. Car lifts are important equipment for anyone who works on vehicles, be it a professional shop or home garage. Car lifts comes in different designs, operations, and lifting capacity. They provide safety, convenience, and efficiency when performing repairs and maintenance. Choosing the right car lift depends on several factors, but I think these three factors are the most important factors you should consider when acquiring or buying a car lift. Number one is, what is your specific needs? What exactly will you use the car lift for? This is a critical question you need to ask yourself so that you can know or determine the exact car lift that will best suit your needs. In other words, what kind of workshop do you want to operate? A mechanic shop, tire shop, auto detailing shop, or home garage? The specific kind of shop you want to open will also influence the kind of lift that will best serve you, because different lifts have different advantages and intent use. So it's not enough to say I want a car lifter. The second factor to consider is, what kind of vehicles are you going to work on? What kind of cars or vehicles will you use the lifter to lift? Is it lightweight cars or vehicles or heavy-duty trucks? This will also have an influence on the kind of lifter you have to apply, specifically the lifting capacity. Last but not the least is your workshop space. How big or small is your workshop? You need to also consider your workshop space in acquiring your car lift. And so, if you don't have a big workshop, acquiring a car lift that will save you more space for other purposes will be ideal solution. Also, you need to consider your workshop ceiling height. If your workshop ceiling height is very short, you need to acquire lifters that will be suitable for your workshop ceiling height so that you can maximize your lifting height. Based on several factors and categories, there are 5 main car lifts that are commonly used worldwide, and I term them as the best 5 car lifts. In the next few minutes, we are going to discuss each of these 5 car lifters, their advantages and disadvantages, and my own recommendations. The first type is two-post lift. Two-post lifts have 2 columns and lower arms that are adjusted under a car to balance the weight of the car on the arms so that the car can be lifted up. Some of the advantages of two-post lifts include: 1. They occupy less space, making them ideal for smaller shops. 2. They generally can lift cars very high. 3. They do not obstruct mechanics and technicians when they want to access the undercarriage or the under of the car. They accommodate wide range of vehicles, from small cars to bigger trucks. And last but not the least, they are generally affordable compared to 4-post lift, scissor lift, or underground 2-post lift. Some of the disadvantages of 2-post lift include: 1. They waste a lot of time. You need to always adjust the lower arms under the car to lift the car, and after lifting, you also need to go remove the arm before the car can drive off. 2. They are highly prone to accident. 2-post lifts have high probability of involving in an accident. If the lift is not mounted very well, it can collapse and cause an accident. Also, if the lower arms are not well placed under the car to balance the weight of the car on it, the car can fall off. Two-post lifts are ideal for mechanic shops multi-purpose shops, and small shops. The recommended lifting capacity for lightweight vehicles for two-post lift is 4 ton to 5 ton or 4,000 kg to 5,000 kg. If you are liking this video so far, click on the like button so that YouTube will recommend it to many people. The next is mid-rising scissor lift. Mid-rising scissor lifts are perfect for garages with low ceiling. They are also ideal for quick repair services like changing tires, brickwork, and suspensions. They accommodate a wide range of vehicles from small cars to minivans. They are also easily accessible. Cars can easily mount and dismount. They are very easy to install. Installing a mid-rising lift may not need the expertise of a hydraulic engineer or an expert. And last but not the least, they are also very affordable. Some of the disadvantages of mid-rising scissor lift is that some can lift only up to 1 meter height. Some of the mid-rising scissor lift can lift above 1 meter height. They can lift up to 1.8 meters high. So they are different designs and different types of mid-rising lift. My recommended lifting capacity for mid-rising lift is 3.5 ton or 3,500 kg. I highly recommend mid-rising scissor lifts for tire service shops, mechanic shops, and home garages. The third lift is a 4-post lift. 4-post lifts are known for their high stability and excellent safety. Due to their 4-column structure, weight of cars can evenly distribute on the columns and therefore making them highly stable. 4-post lifts also have drive-ons that makes it easy for cars to mount and dismount. And some of them have middle jack that can be used to lift cars at the front or at the back, or even the whole car, acting like a mid-rising lift. Also, 4-post lifts can be used for alignment work. They are also perfect for storage solution. One car can be placed on the lift whilst another car can be parked beneath the lift, acting as a double parking. Some of the disadvantages of 4-post lifts include: 1. They require a bigger space for installation. 2. Sometimes low-profile cars cannot mount them. 3. They obstruct mechanics when they want to access the fuel and the carriage of the car. For lifting lightweight vehicles with 4-post lift, I recommend a lifting capacity of 4 ton to 5 ton or 4,000 kg to 5,000 kg. I recommend 4-post lift for mechanic shops, tire service shops, and for storage purposes. If you are planning to set up or upgrade your auto repair shop, I have set up packages that includes all modern tools and equipment you need to set up. I and my team in China ship them directly from China to your address. The next lift is scissor lift. Scissor lifts have compact design and are suitable for a variety of tasks. They accommodate a wide range of vehicles, and also cars can mount them very easy and dismount. Moreover, they are highly stable and also have safety features. Scissor lifts can be mounted directly on the floor or under the floor. When they are mounted under the ground, they make the workshop look more organized, and also movement in the garage is also very easy. Again, some scissor lifts also have a middle jack that acts like a mid-rising lift, making them a 2-in-1 option. The middle jack can be used like a mid-rising scissor lift and mostly can lift up to 0.5 meters high. Some of the disadvantages of scissor lifts include: 1. They may not be able to lift cars very high like a 2-post lift. 2. Scissor lifts and 4-post lifts are not very affordable. 3. They also require larger space for installation. Scissor lifts are recommended for tire service shops and mechanic shops. If you are acquiring a scissor lift for lightweight vehicles, I recommend a lifting capacity of 4 ton to 5 ton or 4,000 kg to 5,000 kg. Last but not the least lift is underground 2-post lift. These kind of lifts are mostly used in dealership workshops and authorized workshops. They are directly mounted under the ground and they lift cars from the floor level. Some of the advantages of underground 2-post lifts include: 1. They make the workshop look more organized and professional. 2. They provide unobstructed access to vehicles, making repairs more efficient. 3. They are suitable for a variety of vehicles. And last but not the least, the underground installation dampens noise and vibrations, making the workshop more quieter. Some of the disadvantages of underground 2-post lifts include: 1. They are very expensive compared to all the lifters. 2. Underground installation also costs extra money and demand special expertise. I recommend a lifting capacity of 3.5 ton to 5 ton or 3,500 kg to 5,000 kg. They are highly recommended for mechanic shops, tire service shops, auto detailing shops, and vehicles upgrade shops. I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below which of the lifters you think is best for you or which of them you are currently using. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I talk about the automotive industry and my goal is to encourage more people to become entrepreneurs. See you in my next video.